Hi everyone, I am going to show you today how to make some super nachos.
Alright, so these are all the ingredients that you're going to use. You're going to get avocado, hamburger meat, cheese, refried beans, chili, green chili sauce, sour cream, and green taco sauce.
Alright, so first we're going to spray the pan just so it doesn't stick. Makes it for easier cleanup. Then you're going to put the beans in. So you can also do refried beans, homemade. Of course, our faves, but today we're going to do the can. So you'd want to get a big can of the refried beans. It makes plenty. This is another one of my mama's favorites. So we've all really enjoyed this when she makes it. So we're trying to keep all these good recipes going. All right, so there's that. Next, put the green chili taco sauce. Green taco sauce. Hamburger meat. So one of my tips that I usually like to do is I get a big container of hamburger meat at Sam's, and then I fry it up right away, season it, and then put it in baggies and freeze it. So when you're ready to make a meal, you have the hamburger meat already prepared. It's one less pan to wash, and just makes it for quick cooking. Spread that all around. Chili to this. Just kind of put that all around. It'll cook all even. You don't have to really spread this out. Add a little fresh green chili. Okay, so this is extra hot. Antonio got this and he peeled it last year. It was super delicious. So I've been enjoying this. It doesn't look like I'm putting a lot, but it's super hot. There we go. Plus the other chilies have spice to it too, so there you go. Just kind of spread that around. Okay. Next I'm gonna put an avocado sliced in there. So you just let me move the camera. All right. So next we're going to get the avocado and just put some slices in there. Just want to be careful when you're putting these out. Spin that up and spin that, okay? Then you can just put that there. Oopsie. And just slice this up right in the shell or whatever that is, the skin. I'm going to strangle you. I am. All right, so there's the avocado all sliced up. So you'll just put that throughout the dip here. All right. So next we are going to spread the cheese on there. Okay. Just cover that really well. And it sounds like the cheese should go on top, but we're gonna put the sour cream on top. So if you don't like sour cream, I guess you can just not put it. Or if you don't like anything on it, just put what you like. Alright. So next we're just gonna put some good dollops on here. And then we'll spread it out. Easy, go slow. Oh, and this is at a request of my friend Shannon. So she requested for me to make this recipe today. And so we had this many years ago together. It was a very enjoyable time. And so thanks, Shannon, for the request. All right. And you're gonna put it in the oven at 350 for about 30 minutes. And then you're gonna eat with some Dorito chips. And we'll get to that once it's all baked. Okay, so you take it out of the oven, let it set for about 10-15 minutes, and then serve it up with some chips. Okay, you're gonna just serve it up. Oops. I lost the angle. Enjoy. One of our faves. Again, thanks for requesting that, Shannon. Alright, don't forget, like and subscribe.